Welcome back. So now I have, you saw the previous video, there was a camshaft there. Oh, there was some buckets. Well, they are back in the bike, along with some new shims. I'll show you my calculations, my scruffy writing. So we did the calculations as to what shims needed to replace, what was already in the motor. So they're back in. Cam carriers are all torqued up. I've checked the valve clearances and they're now within specification. So I can now go ahead with bolting that up and putting it all back together. Pretty straightforward when you've got the gear. We use the Ocam shim kit. Comes in handy until we run out because they only supply so many. But I am running low on the 170s, so I'll have to order some more to restock my little box. But other than that, it's all looking pretty good. Pretty good that we've got the correct clearances first time. So my calculations must be pretty good. Do I say pretty good? Have I said pretty good? I'll say pretty good again. It's pretty good. Alright, so yeah. Cam carries on, so I've got the last ones put on that end, and then the chain guide, is it? And then make sure everything's timed up perfectly. Of course it should be, but it's silly not to double check these things. So I'm gonna rotate the engine a few times and double check the clearances again. Just because I'm a bit OCD like that. I know it's right, but I like to make sure it is 120% right. Thanks for watching yet again.